Saying goodbye to a trusted server is like parting ways with an old friend who's been with your business through thick and thin. But when that server finally retires, there's no time for farewells. Your business could come to a standstill, urgently needing IT support to get back on track. Find out how you can anticipate and prepare for this inevitable transition, ensuring your operations never miss a beat. The lifespan of a server isn't set in stone. It varies widely based on its workload, maintenance, and the environment it operates in. Typically, servers have a running life of 3 to 5 years. But how do you know it's time for a change? Listen for new, odd noises. Notice if performance has slowed, or if you encounter random freezes and network bottlenecks. These are clear signs your server is struggling. Moreover, other indicators like diminishing storage space or an expired warranty could signal it's time for an upgrade. These aren't just technical issues, they're obstacles to your business's efficiency and growth. Recognizing them early means you can boost your speed and productivity sooner rather than later. If you're worried your server's days are numbered, it's crucial to act swiftly. At Gravity Systems, we understand the unique needs of Austin businesses. We're here to guide you through selecting and setting up a new server that aligns with your goals and budget. Ensuring a smooth transition without downtime is our priority. We'll handle everything from data backup to installation, so you can welcome enhanced productivity with open arms. Remember, staying ahead of server issues means your business can continue to thrive without interruption. For more detailed insights and guidance, read the full article on our website. And if you found today's topic helpful, consider adding our podcast to your Spotify playlist for more useful updates and tips.